It's such come to Bali. Ah, yeah, Bali.
Who said
We
ciao?
have someone said so.
Is that real diamond, sir?
Where?
If I say yes, will you come and rob me? Rob me?
Do you have a real diamond on you now?
Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah. What is? How? Which Buddhist? I only know I am Buddhist. Chapter finished. I'm learning. There's so much left to learn.
Why you don't want to tell about vacations?
Because we don't want to jinx it. It's
Yeah.
so we haven't been on vacation for more than a year.
Yeah, 1 year.
And it's so frustrating, and we just hope it will all
Nga
go
logic la
full.
thangba sum dugyo da vacation thangba chik ngani nim do thangba chik phama nang la dugyo Italy nang la Christmas tanga. Like this year, last year we had no vacation at all, so I don't want to jinx it. I want to take beautiful pictures. I want to have like outfit plans for the vacation. I already bought so many outfits. Vacation we booked a very beautiful hotel room, and we'll no, listen, we have a junior suite which looks amazing. So yeah, with a hot tub and everything.
Yeah, but let's
yeah, I'm not going to talk about where.
I know you're both going to pursue now. No. We're not going to. Who is your
Amara, who's your guru in Nyingma?
Guru in Butcha? Guru with O?
No, Guru the way.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
You're a rich woman, Thai?
Who's Thai?
You're not Thai. Can you repeat, please, Amore, which religion are you?
Which religion are you?
I'm Buddhist. Come on. Oh, nice.
No, I think she wants to know which sect of Buddhism.
Nyingma.
Are you tired?
I'm a little tired. It's been
you drink that whole beer, Amore. Obviously, you.
No, it's not the beer. It's been a very long week.
Who's going out with you and Willie today?
I am. Maybe I'll take them in the morning.
Come to Thailand, sir.
We will also come to Thailand.
Yeah, once this pandemic ends.
Soon we cannot afford to have a quarantine. That's the problem. When we come back to Germany, that's like we cannot have quarantine. We both have very less vacations, so like we need to be sure that coming back we can go to work. Yeah. In Thai, baby. No, I'm a little. We portare adesso così puoi venire tornare a dormire. Adesso presto. Okay. Do you want to sleep a little bit? Adesso mi stendo un po'. I'm gonna go to sleep a little bit, okay? You go to sleep a little bit, and then I'm gonna like. Can't you speak in Dutch, sir? Guten Morgen. Goedemorgen. Machine ganzuni in there. Deutsch, like the German and Dutch are different, but he also knows a little Dutch, right? He did it in university. Yeah. If I hear it again, I will. Yeah. Guten Morgen. I'm gonna like have a little nappy nap, and then we'll go out. Okay? Are you coming? I don't know. Yeah, you'll live your life. Yeah. Oh, maybe. Like go ask. I'm gonna good night, have a pleasant sleep. So no, he is not sleeping right now. Like he will only have a little nap, and then we need to go out with the dogs. Ah? What are you guys talking about? Why are you eating chocolate? Because I feel like. Oh, because I feel like don't tell me that. Because I wanted chocolate. Amore, you said you want to sleep and then now you'll have sugar rush. Yeah. Don't worry. Zam is taking you. Work it armada to fucking pop.
See, I need iPhone, please. She said, she.
I'll put your big computer on your small computer.
Okay.
Really?
You need to be responsible if you want to have kids, you know. So that's the same thing. We can be tired or we can be really like not in the mood, but we have to take the dogs out. Mare angazu kila chilo tigure, shogeya launi kila chilo tigure. Dear double chin song you double chin che tachu. How many babies you have? So I have 2 dogs. Joey, amore. Joey, amore della mamma. Vieni qua, mio bambino, vieni qua. Joey, vieni qua. Cosa c'è? Cosa c'è? Vedi, ti ha moscicato. Oh, mio bambino. Oh, Poppy. Come ti dà Poppy, ok? Vedi, ti ha moscicato. Oh, ciao, Coco. Oh, ciao, Coco.
Ti dà solo olio, amore?
No, amore, no. 네 기준주 보고 되들러 과 속에서 뜬다 락발 속에서 강발 속에서 대파 뭐 뽀삐 망고 떼사 마마 떼다 딴티 뽀삐 veromi 빌려 심어 빌려 오케이 네 bambino mio stai qua che villi 땡이 그 땡이 그래 네 뭐 stai qua Stai con la mamma, facciamo live, ti dice ciao tutti. Sembra stato del 탭도 상여호 파는 게 블런다듯이야. 탭도 레제. 충아디 탭도 레제 아마다 바와 찍빠찌기야. 충아디 빠 탭도 사요리야. 체어들다 약 타주죠. Sembra 충아지요. 찍빠찌기야. 데뷔 당한 찍으지. I dog have German Shepherd dog. He is 7 months. Today I learned that dear husband name is Amore. No, he's not. His name is not Amore. His name is David. Wait, Amore lana love lover. One is behind you getting jealous. Samare ko dire power gayor. Which is your favorite, Joey or Vilisa? No, both. Okay, Joey. Joey 냠진지열이야, 어디서? You take dog out in nights. Why? They need to go for a walk. They need to pee. They need to poop. They need to relax before sleeping. Shamba they tupa in the short group. Konda ya nangla ni tigang la. Ni kaje ni kini konda ni tigang tupa yep the nang anzo handes niya war mare. Konda chilo la tesi walk do chana no konso tes kale khar konda ni iriya. Nganzo tia. Good mas kama jigwa. Nganzo tia. Ayu nanki thayesa. Konga nanki seri re lavisa. And the line. Is this 2 dogs yours? I mean, before your marriage, did you have these dogs? Yes, they're mine. But David and I got it together. Nganzo changsa gapeng wala nyur tara ine ngani nyamdo le ya Joey like Joey ta ngani nyamdo le rota. Yeah, but on the passport they're mine. Konzo passport na lang yiming tier. Amore means lover. Then what is his name? His name is David. Davide. Please.
Love, not lover.
It means love. It doesn't mean lover. Gabo Marta. Love. Tip Single said, please, I need iPhone. Somebody told me that you sending iPhone with warranty 20 years. Oh, I'm not sending iPhone to anyone. Don't let them eat your David. Banana by Joey and Willie. That I can say the line. Dang it. Joy and Willie disturb you both, sir? No, they don't. Joy gonna choose the US la yalang ni zemo zi le ria ya khoji tanda kids ki kabi yora khoran basket ji ro na khoji zemo zi ya gang zan lo ro de chiro de ngo ye le ria ani honey the ro zemo zi into let something. Why you did not marriage with Tibetan people, sir? How, mister? Why West, sir? Ta khala ta ga pu cha so ni ga so ni oi क्या खा रहे oi late night snacks क्या खा रहा है डाइटिंग जे मरे अंगनी तेंगे 잠배 खुशी 무슨 나로 치치기가 진짜네 기존 나로 이래로 진짜 굽 찍고 지금 나 칠러라 떠라 단데 쉬우면데 가슴 지게던데 크지 진짜 근데 치아야 땡 the early mother the love has no caste no color 다 가르쳐야 돼 걔 꿀꿀해 가 잠배 almonds 단 pistachio 어디 줬어 healthier तो क्या खाएगा क्या ढूंढ रहे मेरे बच्चा Ama because Tibetan guys can't buy her Gucci bags. So why you can't buy chupo in the earth a lot? Damn do. I don't need guys to buy me Gucci bag. I can buy myself Gucci bags. So la gana rawan tre la bin sa degaranta. The jambe doma ki ge de la message chiktish ya comment chiktish in sa jambel going to kitchen sa kachak noise start. I'm just asking Sayaya. Hello dear, don't let them jambel eat late sir. Jambe kose tantana tapsane chirote green tea swigina say ya shema chirote. Can you share your playlist on Spotify? No, I have Apple Music. I don't listen to Spotify. Number red chesa. Tengan so ini doria nang mi yang gonda cena min da do chik min da tapsana la zu shemba de ka yudo tang. Ya ngai gonda samsam chu chungnis la tapsana zu ya jambele ta khai se ya to gonda cena la. Dear married to West people because she loves basmati. Di yang ye tidu samba share da ye irony na chin da kenzo khashish ki kenzo ki serious lenda share ya in da खर्चा बासमती की टुकड़ा नहीं भी लंबा राइस चाहिए अपना लाइफ चाहिए जिंदगी को जीने वाला खरे चाहिए न चाहिए and it was your share your tears so cute sir when you return India sir खरे जाम्बेल को अनियन पकौड़ा बनाओ और इमली का चटनी बना के खिलाओ सर तो कुछ ही the when you return to India sir I don't know Jambel la control sa बोले तो डाइट पे ध्यान दो सा बोले तो डाइट पे ध्यान दो सा no more खचा eating noise सा रंग की सांदा खवा दो संगे सांदा ये क्या बोल ये अच्छी क्यों चालू ये सांदा देंगे जी कंबा ये जी सांदा देंगे जी खीता द गाने तो द को ये जी क्यों आदि तरह सान ये जी द क्यों वाला काजू खाचे सो 잠배 overacting इसने तुझे खाता भी नहीं ना जमीन तो ये थोड़ा सा करता है तुमने इतना चिल्लाता है ना हाँ जो वेन्यू को हमारे जंबे overacting ना जंबे overacting ना तेरे पीछे आया लगा दोस्त ने जो लगा दोस्त जंबे overacting ना 저희 잠벨 갈게요. 그래도 셴바디 데데데시야. 잠벨 와라인데는 저 잠벨 소남 카푸르사. Malas. Jambel's stomach is calling. Jangi Troy My lover told me you're that joke lumber is chase. Only Niki Jola in the law, the share the anyway, the share Tambushoya, the Kasafir se machange like the end on the share. Virginity is not dignity, it's called less opportunity. Ah? The way. Overacting, sir. In some overacting in Anglo is coming sub overacting. Catches doing that. Dear Gucci Jambel mud racer. Jambel looking like pretty Zinta, sir. Mata Tarinda. Joke turned reality, sir. Maybe your husband need to rest, not so noise, sir. Cotton Yager young as a tail Gonda gab. Ngadu Kimeke Chambuji, they have to get used to Rajambe. Like it's how you're the. Love yourself. I think you are virgin your whole life. Ah? Wait, tanga chance again a longer doser. How am I supposed to be a virgin? Ale. Gon Ale Gonda couldn't wallow parts to get a shed, sir. Ale. Ale. Ale Gonda. Yeah. बस में टुकड़ा में भी नंबर चाहिए सबका लाइफ सही है जिंदगी को जीने मैंने छोड़ दूंगा तुझको ऐसा कुछ नॉट शॉट नहीं एंड रोज योर शे निम्बुर कुछ Your husband is so cute, sir. Thank you. Raminga Tibetan celebrities real, sir. Dear looking cute, so thank you. Kuch the living tears ama dukcha dapo me basho sa ninje chambel sa. Nga ama yakshu nang ne yakshu ingriya chikta ya. Ngeta the joy kante tsukder saudo a chamda we kuen reje. Jambe, kya kha raha hai? Zumat sal, तूने गैस पे कुछ चढ़ाया? Zumat sal. Kaja. Let her eat like you said. Just let Jambi working or studying, both Jambi studying and working. Let your husband speak to us. My husband is sleeping. They were Gabriel Nyedesh. Kande cute sanyo Nyedesh. Living tears live little bit Jambi free for seconds. Sir. Ama Jambi is the whole day free. Lord hello sir. Hello. Dear oh God sir. Jambi is having spicy noodles. Jambi, are you having spicy noodles? No sir. When Jambi is getting married, sir? Soon, I think. Jambi, when are you getting married, sir? Soon, sir. The Jambi chance to get rid. Did you watch that Kunjo Silver Awards? Oh, I didn't watch, but I saw that on Instagram. Oh my God, that's so amazing. He totally deserves it. I'm not a big fanny. I was so happy that he got it. Your husband looks like good understanding. Yeah, he's very good. Did I deliver you from India or Nepal? India. Where is her boyfriend? Jambi, where is your boyfriend, sir? India. Your boyfriend India la ye. Jambi, boyfriend you. Your boyfriend you made. Yeah, you love Tasha. Are you going to miss Jambi after she is married, living with her German husband? Her husband is not German. Yes, I'm going to live. I'm going to miss Jambe, but I'll also be very happy for her. Jambe is putting rice and mix with remain chili in bowl and mixing it very well. Jambe, don't hurt your health by. Uh-huh. Red nicht so laut, Mama Mia, du machst mir Kopfschmerzen. Dann du musst nicht schauen, oder? Warum schaust du dann? Oh Gott. Who is Jambil's husband? I'll not say that. Jambil boyfriend in Tawansa. Oh, guys can raise child together and kids can be best friends too. Obviously. Can I be your friend, sir? I'm a big fan of yours, sir. Sure. He lives in France, sir. Tibet tip single. Jambil will shift to France, sir. Ah. I'll be very happy if Jambi shifts to France. Then I can go to France whenever I want. But it's a great shopping destination. I'll have fun. Dawala, you're open to making new friends beside Jambi. I don't know. How can I be your friend, sir? I don't know. No, it needs a long time. If I make someone my friend, then that friend will be like my family, right? Because Jambi is like my family. I trust her with anything. So yeah, I don't make friends easily, but when someone is my friend, then I will do anything for them. One day Jambi gonna marry and separate from you, so you will gonna miss her. Yes, I'm going to miss her, but I'll be very happy because Jambi will have her life, her husband, so I'll be very, very happy for her. Oh, who is Jambi? Jambi is my best friend. Dear friends don't need you. They have all kinds of animal now, so stay and live happy in your ngala animal name be. I'll be the cutest animal law. Jambi boyfriend member or Tibetan sir? I don't know. That you have to ask Jambi. Jambi gets here. I want to be your friend, but maybe I don't have quality to be friends. So why? Tip single ra inte ra inte dik handes la tu tu inte confidence kon mega chana pe sara mare. The where is giveaway? So giveaway is here. Just need to announce it. Soon we will expose his name, sir. Because the expose chita chewa maruguchi, it's out there. Everyone knows. Jambi does nice makeup and hairstyle. She can follow your lead to guide her. Jambi is a makeup artist. Ngemola course chichui. Tip single which newspaper, Masala magazine or Kala Chitra magazines?